I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Looking for more than just a tutorial? Head over to pdtech.co.nz to see how we can manage this all for you.
Watch this video to learn how to create an invoice from an approved quote to reduce manually re-entering the details. After you create a quote and fulfill the customer order, you need to raise an invoice to record the income. Click Sales, then select Quotes. Click the Accepted tab to view your approved quotes. Use the Search field, or scroll to find the quote you want to turn into an invoice. Select the checkbox next to the quote, then select Create Invoice. Alternatively, open the quote, then click Create Invoice. Select Mark as Invoiced if you fulfilled all the items in your quote. Xero marks the quote as fully invoiced and moves it to the Invoice tab. Don't select the checkbox if you're only invoicing for part of the quote. Xero doesn't mark the quote as fully invoiced, and your quote will remain in the Accepted tab. Choose whether to mark the quote as fully invoiced, then click Create. Xero copies the details from your quote to a new invoice. Review the pre-populated fields and make any changes, as needed. Click Save and Close to save your new invoice as a draft, or Approve and Email to send the invoice to the customer. Now you know how to save time creating an invoice from an approved quote in Xero.